How to get free $50 PlayStation Store vouchers with FunZap. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a $50 PlayStation Store voucher for absolutely free. That's right, no costs, no strings attached. Stay tuned as I walk you through this easy process, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to grab your own free voucher. First, let me show you how it works. Right here on my PlayStation Store, I'm about to redeem my code. Let me walk you through it. Just head to the Redeem Code section, paste in the code you'll get in a moment, and press Continue. Boom! Voucher redeemed. $50 added to my account. And the cool thing is, the voucher will automatically convert to your country's local currency. So if you're in another country, don't worry, it'll be adjusted accordingly. Now to get your hands on your own voucher, head over to fundzap.com. It's fundzap.com. This site regularly updates with new offers, including PlayStation vouchers. It's my go-to site, and I recommend checking it often. Once you're on FunZap, look for the PlayStation voucher offer. You'll see options for both $50 and even $100 vouchers. I'm going with the $50 voucher today, but if the $100 one is available, you can go for that too. Click on the voucher and you'll see the option to unlock code. Here's how it works. To unlock the voucher code, you'll need to complete a couple of simple tasks. These could involve downloading an app, using it for a few seconds, or interacting with certain types of content. The process is easy, and some tasks only take a couple of minutes to finish. Choose the tasks that suit you best. The tasks are all legitimate and quick to complete. Just follow the instructions provided on the website. Once you've completed the tasks, return to FunZap, refresh the page, and you'll see the 12-digit voucher code unlocked and ready for use. Now simply head back to the PlayStation Store, paste in the code under the Redeem Code section, and press Continue. Your $50 voucher will be added to your account, and you're ready to start shopping for games, add-ons, or anything else you like. And there you have it. A simple, free way to score a $50 PlayStation Store voucher using FunZap. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or need any help with the process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.